Hi guys, this is Adam. So today I noticed something strange sound in my kitchen light switchboard. Tink, tink, tink. Tink, tink, tink. Let's keep making this noise. Tink, tink, tink. Tink, I'm not sure how. Like, keep turning off? Nah. Call someone? Nah. Tink. Let me think about some fucking ideas. Let me think. Oh! Oh. I have another kitchen light switchboard on a different wall from some area. So let's try to turn off from here so I can fix this bad boy. Quickly. Oh, it's gone. I fixed it. So that was a quick skit, like a quick funny video about the kitchen light switch. Like, it's making that sort of strange and weird sound. Yeah, it happened, so it was like really funny and strange. Just like a strange, funny video. Yeah. So, if you guys like the video, please subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. And have a good night. Bye, guys, and I'm out.